The time for small steps is over, a motivational speech. Friends, colleagues, change makers. Can you feel it? That hum in the air, that undeniable sense that something big has to be done? It whispers in the headlines, it aches in our hearts, it burns in the very fabric of our world. The status quo is a cracked foundation, and we stand at a crossroads. The easy path beckons. It tells us to stay comfortable, to ignore the cracks, to keep patching the holes with the same tired solutions. But is that who we are? Are we content to simply watch the future crumble around us? No. A fire burns within us, a fire for change, for a brighter tomorrow. We are the dreamers, the doers, the ones who refuse to settle for mediocrity. The challenge before us may seem daunting. The mountain we must climb appears insurmountable. But look around you. We are not alone. Every face here represents a spark, a wellspring of potential. Together, we are a wildfire, a force of nature capable of leveling mountains and forging a new path. But how? How do we translate this raw ambition into action? The answer is simple. We start now. We stop waiting for someone else to take the first step. We stop clinging to the false security of inaction. Today, we commit. This doesn't have to be a grand gesture. It can be the small choices we make every day, the voice we raise against injustice, the helping hand extended to a neighbor, the relentless pursuit of knowledge and self-improvement. Every single action, no matter how small, creates a ripple effect. It inspires others. It builds momentum. It chips away at the mountain bit by bit. This will not be easy. There will be setbacks, moments of doubt, and voices whispering negativity. But remember why we started. Remember the future we fight for. Remember the power that lies dormant within each of us. We are the architects of our tomorrow. We have the tools, the talent, and the unwavering spirit to break down barriers and build a world that reflects our collective dreams. So, let the doubters doubt. Let the cynics scoff. We will rise above the noise, fueled by our passion and our unwavering belief. The time for small steps is over. The time for giant leaps has arrived. Let's go out there and make something big happen.